These are fun little boxes that carry a real punch. They have ornaments right on the inside. We simply started with a frame. This is the one that I've picked. And I've picked some photos that will match right on the inside of the frame, where the frame goes right over the face. Take a nice big square punch and punch out that little face. Once we've done that, the next thing we'll do is take the backing off of the frame and use the clear part as a work surface. What I want to do is place my little picture down and then take my frame and put the frame right over the picture so that he's framed real nicely. Then I want to flip everything over, and on this back side I'm going to expose the adhesive, and I'm taking a piece of ribbon that I've already cut and simply done a little twist right here. Once I've done that, I'm going to flip it over, and I want to remember that it's going to be an ornament, so I want enough of a hook there, and simply push it down into place. Then I want to take a backing, and you can make this out of all kinds of things. This is the one that I've done, and then you simply want to put that right into place over the back of your frame. Now I have a beautiful finished ornament that I can give to any of my friends or family. That's all for Greetings from DIY. I'm Joy McDonnell. Thanks for joining us.